You know, there on the bottom, there's a dot where
which is the dash on the under. Of course, but last night when I did it, it was super hot. But if it's, you know, you don't want the water to go in. You know what I mean? So you just you can cover it, let it steam. Anyway, so I cut it in half, and I'm just gonna scoop out the pulp. So easy, right?
Now this is just a regular eggplant.
Regular
not
eggplant.
Japanese one.
Mash your eggplant up with a fork, and you can see the pulp is nice and soft.
Yeah.
It's also smoky because of the way it's been cooked.
Okay. Start to make the portak. We're gonna add oil to a pan, and we make it in quite a bit of oil. And this particular dish we don't make in ghee. So we're gonna make the porta now. So I warmed up the pan. I'm adding the oil, and this dish we generally make in oil, not in ghee. Okay. So I'm adding the onions. Watery, so you're just going to cook them enough kind of to dry up the water, because you don't want this dish to be runny, right? Because that's going to be watery too, and that's watery. So you just cook down the water, and add your garam masala and cilantro, and you're done. Add the roasted eggplant that I've mashed up with a fork into this pan. You see the water is mostly dry. It's a little moist, but there's no liquid in the pan. And give it a good stir, and it's basically done. We're gonna add the garam masala and some cilantro for garnish, and the dish is
Now our eggplant is finished, and usually you would garnish it with cilantro, but we ran out of cilantro. And then we have a secret family recipe for garam masala, and it's just being sprinkled on the top.
I didn't see the peas going